the food fight season has ended, and now we are going to get our rewards. And yeah, let's just get into the video. Okay, so we are going to start off with the bronze season rewards. So let's go ahead and get it. Claim your rewards, and we get the sandwich cap, sandwich garb, sandwich skewer, sandwich loafers, and bronze fight. Food fight bronze. So that looks pretty cool. We're not going to put on any of these. And next we're going to open up the silver. Claim your rewards. Cardboard bucket helmet, cardboard armor, fried chicken mace, cardboard greaves, and food fight silver trophy. And I'll skip this also. And now for the gold. This stuff looks absolutely insane. Let's see. So we get it is legendary. Let's put on the top the cake attire, the fork, the cake boot, and let's see how we look. Okay, so we look very cool, So this is actually a two-part video. We are also going to be getting Hanz and seeing if getting all of the awards will get you glide shells. So yeah, let's get into that part of the video. I'm only gonna show the final pack. Okay, so we've just finished 9 battles, and we are going to battle this now. This video is going to come out a little late because I paused the recording for about an hour, and because I had to go somewhere. So this video is going to come out later than most of my videos would. So yeah. So we do 5,197 damage. Let's see how much Frostfang does. Okay, 2,170, and we should run next hit. Okay, so we use Volcannon and take out Frostfang, so we just got Hanz. Let's see if you also get Glacial or Tortoise from completing every single mission, because if not, then I'm not 100% sure how you get Tortoise or Glacial whatsoever. Okay, so there we go, 100%. Let's put on Hanz. And we don't get Glacial or anything. Let's check our inventory or our pets. Yeah, so that is a bit strange. Not sure how then you get them, but yeah, that's pretty much going to end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.